Hey guys, imagine a smartphone that you don't have to charge every day, that can withstand all weather conditions and serve you as your reliable partner in the great outdoors. In a world where the most phones suffer from the short battery life and the fragile materials, comes the AGM H Max, a rugged device with a huge 10,000 mAh battery. Can this phone really live up its users' expectations? Get ready to the AGM H Max detailed review that will answer all these questions. Now let's start by opening the box. The AGM H Max comes in distinctive yellow packaging, which immediately makes it clear that this is a device for outdoor conditions. First we find the envelope with the H Max basic documentation and a few AGM stickers for those who want to personalize their device. There is the smartphone itself, USB cable, and finally 10-watt charger. The AGM H Max leaves a strong first impression with its industrial design. Its construction exudes solidity and practicality, and every detail is designed for a reason. The back is made of textured plastic that not only prevents it from slipping out of your hand but also provides a comfortable feeling when holding it. The solid metal frames not only contributes to the durability of the device but also amplifies its robust character. Hard rubber placed on the edges provides additional protection from impacts, while the matte finish on the back reduces fingerprints. With a thickness of only 15.65 mm, which makes it more compact than other rugged phones with large batteries inside, while the weight of 324 grams provides a sense of security and solidity. Now moving on to the physical features of the phone, the right side of the device boasts a sleek dark gray steel frame which houses 3 buttons. 2 of these buttons are used to adjust the volume, while the third button serves as a power switch. On the left side of the phone you will find a SIM microSD tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards at the same time as a memory card. A little lower we find this orange programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications, and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. So this one button has a total of 3 functions. At the bottom of the phone we have USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 rating, and there we can also see these grills of the waterproof speaker. Finally, on the top of the phone, under the rubber cover, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Very nice. Coming to the screen, extra attention has been paid to protection, so the phone comes with a pre-installed protective film on the screen, a great detail for anyone who wants maximum security from day one. The AGM H Max has a 6.56-inch IPS LCD screen with HD Plus resolution and 1612 by 720 pixels and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Although the resolution is not impressive by today's standards, the screen is good enough for everyday tasks, such as browsing the web and watching videos. The Panda Glass protective layer provides additional security against scratches, while the colors on the screen are vivid enough. The brightness of 400 nits may not be ideal for direct sunlight, but for all other conditions it works perfectly. The display provides vivid colors, excellent contrast and excellent sharpness, making watching multimedia, browsing photos and using applications a truly pleasant experience. Thanks to the excellent optimization, watching YouTube video content will be a real pleasure even in the long run. As I said, this may not be the best screen in the class, but for most people it will be more than satisfactory. On the back, a beautiful design, elegant module. The AGM H Max has a basic camera system with a 13 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Photos are average quality. In good lighting conditions should be no problems. In low light conditions images becomes grainy, but for daily scenes the camera can serve. Video recording supports Full HD and 30 fps, which is enough for basic use, but the lack of the stabilization means that the footage will be a bit shaky. To get a feel for camera's performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using the AGM H Max, so let's take a look. The phone is powered by a Unisoc T606 processor combined with 4GB of RAM and additional 4GB of virtual memory, which gives a total of 8GB of RAM for faster multitasking. The Ethernet memory of 128GB provides enough space to store applications, photos and videos, and there is also a possibility of expanding the memory with the SD card. Performance is solid for basic tasks like browsing social networks, sending messages or watching videos, even for gaming. It's powered by the pure Android 14, so you'll have to all Google ecosystem without unnecessary apps and bloatwares. The AGM H Max is equipped with modern connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.0 for stable and energy-efficient connection, dual-band Wi-Fi for fast, reliable internet, NFC for contactless payment, and precise GPS system with support for GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou, making an excellent choice for everyday needs and navigation. Whether you use it for driving, hiking or city walks, the system provides fast and accurate information about your location wherever you are. This smartphone is fully resistant to external influences and harsh conditions, and that leaves no room for compromise. With its tough exteriors, reinforced components and MIL-STD 800H certification, it withstands multiple drop tests on all faces, corners and edges. It achieves IP68 and IP69K levels of protection, guarding against water, humidity, dust, sand, etc. This phone behaves like a Vario under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough handling works, provides extra strength and sturdy features, better waterproof and dust-resistant performance. This phone is designed for challenging off-road conditions with all resistant certifications, providing incredible full 360-degree resistance and safety. The biggest asset of this phone is its huge 10,000 mAh battery. For the average user, this means as such as 3 over 4 days of autonomy with the moderate use. The screen on time is impressive, ranging between 25 and 30 hours. The only drawback is the slow 10 watts charging. However, for users who prioritize long-lasting battery life, this is not a big obstacle, as they will simply leave the phone charging overnight. AGM H Max is devised for a specific audience, those looking for solidity, reliability and durability, with the emphasis of a long-lasting battery for outdoor users. Of those who want a phone that won't need charging every day, this is a great choice. Want to learn more about the AGM H Max or get one? See the links in the descriptions for more information and possible discounts. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and share your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.